All right, this is for the 96 Bowman Best basketball box. 7 times. All right, good luck to you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. 7. Chris, you're getting the first pack, and Brandon, you're getting the last pack. Let me set up.
I know. I hear I'm impressed.
Oh, how you doing on that Bowman's Best?
1996 Bowman.
Boy, you need to hurry up, boy. Because the tool shed's getting lonely.
Well, I'll throw you in the garbage.
There it is.
That's right.
Chris, first pack. Brandon, last pack. All right. Hey, King. Yeah, we did the Gaudi. Lanzilla. I got you, bro.
Really?
Big John Stud here. Getting you guys set, ready for the 96 Bowman's Best, which is... There.
Are we ready here, boy?
There it is.
All right.
Are we ready here, son?
Oh, look what you did, boy. You
Mike,
need to
I gotta tell you, it doesn't get old. It makes me piss my pants.
I've been doing it for 15 years. I used to do a whole radio show like that. I did a whole radio show like that.
Live at the 459. Hey, King. The video will be uploaded tomorrow, so you can check your number and see what you got. Because I don't know off the top of my head which one you got, but it'll be up tomorrow. So check it by tomorrow afternoon, because I'm gonna do all the uploads in the morning. So check it out. All right, Mike, you're all set.
I'll make it move, boy. I'll make it move.
Make it rain, man.
Do you need me to tickle you a little bit with the feather?
Very good.
Okay.
You're very close on the Gaudi special, too, Mike.
Good Gaudi special.
Why don't you tell them how many are left before you give away those other 2 Hall of Famers?
All right, guys. Here's what we got. I got a 1992-93 Fleer Ultra Hockey Pack. I will give away to the first person that says they don't want it, which should be everybody. Okay, just kidding. Whoever came up with 92-93 Fleer Ultra Hockey should.
Disgusting.
It's filthy, filthy.
It's a try, right?
I'm not sure what's worth less, that pack or these gloves after I take them off.
What's really bad, Mike? What's worse than 92 Ultra Hockey? 91 Stadium Club Hockey. Dude, there's nothing. It's the worst comic ever. Not a single rookie.
It's disgusting.
I've never seen anything produced like that. 91 Stadium Club Baseball. At least it's got a Jeff Bagwell, the Nolan Ryan tuxedo card.
Wait. How about 88 Fleer Baseball?
88 Fleer.
Yeah, there's Mark Grace. The Greg Jeffries was hot.
Tom Glavine, shit.
Yeah, don't discriminate. Don't play.
91 Fleer Baseball. The grossest ever. Yellow?
Yeah, really.
There's nothing in there.
Provisions.
88 Sport Flicks.
Wow.
Gross. All right, guys. Yeah. 2 more Kobe's. Let's do it, guys.
Kobe size.
Remember, before we get into this.
Oh no!
What happened?
Just dropped some cards.
Oh, you do that all the time.
It's too bad I'm in the vintage card.
Guys, yeah.
Oh, this is not a stack I wanted to drop either.
Ah, man. Is that the one with the Yogi Bear on top?
Yeah.
I saw that. I looked at it. I should have moved it. So, all right. So 90s. You know what, dude? You should do a cards dropped on the floor by Leighton giveaway.
I am right now.
Okay. 89 Topps down is disgusting. So real quick, while I'm breaking this, 10 card vintage PSA hit random.
Random that. Where's the room? Let me see the room. How many people? I can't see this.
Just not a lot.
There's a lot. You discriminate.
Just like 15. We're good.
What's the number say right here? Plenty of people.
Yeah, I
random
see
that
that.
someone in the room.
Okay. All right, hold on, guys. Before we get into that, 10 card vintage PSA hit random. 6 spots left. $60. We're gonna give away 1 free spot already. We talked about that.
We already did. There's 6 left.
Right. We didn't give it away yet. We took it out. We're gonna give after break. So what I want to do is I want those 6 spots gone. So while I'm opening this Bowman's Best box, guys, please just buy that, and we're going to we'll do that tonight.
And you're giving away the random spot when, Mike?
After we break this box.
Fair enough, bro.
I got 1 to 8.
Yeah, but you know, that's because this moved over.
Yeah, that's how it works.
8.
Hey, Mike, tell them to like us on Facebook. We just announced the page.
There it is.
Facebook. Facebook.com/vintagebreaks459. If we get to 50 likes tonight, we're going to
free graded and a free ungraded roll.
free graded and a free ungraded roll. So 4, 8. So 1 through 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 9 through 16. 17 to 24. Pack number 1. Going out to Chris. Good luck, Chris. Guys, this is my favorite break ever.
I know it is.
I love it. And these aren't sticking together.
Good.
Pack 1. Robert Ory. Robert Ory. Boris. Good luck. Pack 2. I like these. Clean. Marbury insert. Marcus Camby. God. Vlade Divac. Pack 3 going out to my man, Chris again. Good luck, Chris. Oh, not a bad card. Give me a top loader and a Ray Allen rookie refractor.
Nice. Really good.
That's a sharp card.
Great. Nice hit, Mike.
Yeah, this is a nice card.
Hall of Famer for sure.
Yeah, he got game, bro. This is PSA 10 quality. No print lines or refractor lines.
Next week you'll be able to send that right through Vintage Breaks to PSA.
Yeah, I would have sent this away. This is a gorgeous card. This
Mike,
is.
it's just 2 minutes later, but give us some time.
What's that?
I was kidding.
Here you go. Good job. Who's pack 3? Was that pack 3?
That was pack 4. No, 3 on 3. Yep, 3.
Chris, great job, brother. Pack 4 going out to my man, Brandon. Good luck, bro. Be nice. What up, Be Nice? Be nice. Sorry, brother. We up to pack 5? Alright, Boris. Good luck. Bo Nose. Bo Nose in the heezy fo sheezy, my boy. Priest Lauderdale. You know what we do with Priest Lauderdale? When I used to pull a Priest Lauderdale, I used to try and fling it across the room and see whose eye I could take out. We had 6? Alright, Chris. It's all fun and games till someone loses an eye from Priest Lauderdale's Bowman's Best rookie card. Oh, insert refractor. Ooh, Todd Fuller. Stiff alert. Stiff alert. In one pack, Todd Fuller and Brian Evans. Good Lord. Okay, pack 7. Bars, right? Bonos. Bonos. Sharif Abdul-Rahim. You're about 20 years too late on that one. We got an 8. Chris Roth. He might. Good luck, Chris. Time for a Kobe. Let's go. There we... Hey! Did I call it or did I call it? And an Iverson. Same pack.
Pack 8.
Yeah. Pack 8. Chris. I need pennies and top loaders. 2 pennies, 2 top.
2 pennies? You got it.
Iverson, Kobe in the same pack. Very, very strong pack. That's the strongest pack I've seen. And this is a PSA 10 quality Kobe.
Chris,
And
you still in the
Iverson.
room, Chris? I know I see you, but...
Dude, I just got a second wind after opening that pack. And I'm not talking about breaking wind. I mean, I got a second wind.
There he is, Chris. He's there.
Good job, brother. That's a great pack. Pack 9, you're up again, right? Let's see if we can make it happen again for you, my friend. Another Iverson.
Another Iverson, you said?
Yeah, but it doesn't need it.
Oh.
Good job, Chris. Pack 10. Steven, you got a few packs in a row here. Good luck. Stackhouse insert. Eric Dampier. Ray Allen rookie. Yeah, give me a penny for that. Good job.
Where's the YouTube feed?
The chat.
Yeah.
Right there.
So it's this?
Yeah, if it's a heart,
It's not this.
so... You see that little black?
Yeah.
That's Vintage Breaks. If it's a heart, it's YouTube.
Sure. So do we have some free rolls here?
These have been sitting there since last week. They were never
Right.
on.
So Will, Richard,
And
and then
Todd. Top
Top
ends.
ends.
Okay, can you just scroll up here for a minute? Sorry. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt your break. Go ahead, Mike. So the heart stuff would be.
Yeah, I'm looking for that.
And you say you don't see anything.
No.
I was just trying. Oh, there you go.
Brandon.
Okay,
That's the only person I saw with a heart.
Yep.
there we go. There's a couple.
That's still Brandon.
Brandon.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
All right, what pack number are we on?
I have 11 in my hand, so that's 11.
We got Zindrunas Ilgauskas. Vitaly Pot. What are the chances? Antoine Walker. Guys, what are the chances that you get Z and Vitaly Potapenko in the same pack? What number are we on?
12.
All right, come on, guys. We want a Jordan Atomic Refractor. Derek Fisher, John Wallace, Stephon Marbury.
That was 12.
Okay, Steven, 13. Good luck, buddy. Grant Hill insert. Let's see if this is a... It's hard to tell if it's a refractor. You have to look at the back. It's not. It's a base. Okay. How do you think that? No.
Okay.
Another Raheem, which means a Kobe's on the way. I think we got a... What pack we on?
That was 13.
Okay, Jason Wagner. Let's hope we get a Kobe in pack 14 for you.
JJ Extreme. I think he left it. Oh, no, he's there.
No. Got PJ Brown. How about that? A PJ Brown and Latrell Sprewell.
Nice.
Almost PJ Carlissimo, who got choked out by Latrell. What pack we on?
15.
Clifford Robinson. Mookie. He's in jail. OJ's out. Mookie's in. We on what? 16?
16.
Going out to my man, Steven. Good luck. Marbury. That's it. 17. Come on. Jason Wagner. We need a... Same thing. All right. We need another... Refractor. Alonzo Mourning. I'll get a penny for that. Not bad. We still have an Atomic in here, guys. This was a really, really clean box, by the way.
That's great.
It makes my life easy. We got 18? Mm-hmm. Good luck, Jason. We have an 87 Fleer pack next, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, we got the Atomic. I thought I had Kobe because it was white. It's still the Junkyard Dog, Jerome Williams. Nice card. Who's that? Who has that?
That was pack 18.
Jason Wagner. Not a bad card. It might be worth a little more than you think, maybe. Very popular player. JYD. Big John Stud, baby.
That's me.
We got 19?
19.
Good luck, Michael. Brian Evans and Kerry Kittles. Pack 20. Brandon, good luck. Another Iverson. Good job. Penny. Top loader. These are all very gradable cards, guys. Okay, we got 21.
Mm-hmm.
Sung, good luck. Jordan. We have penny at top loader for Jordan.
You want to show that one more time?
Well, that's alright. It doesn't need to be shown. So I'll show it if you want. I would have shown the Kobe's too. Oh, yeah.
We have to give him a shot.
Okay, what we have to now?
22.
Kimby and Mutombo. Guys, there should be, if we keep it with the history of our box breaks, there should be another Kobe in here. Let's hope I'm right. Got another refractor, Latrell Sprewell. So we got an extra. No, I think they're one out of every 8, so that might be right.
You need a...
No. Last pack. Good luck.
Come on, Kobe.
Going out to Brandon. Good luck, buddy. Insert Karl Malone, Patrick Ewing. We didn't get another Kobe. But it was a good break nonetheless. Alright, guys. Let's break this 87. You want to random the 87 clear? Take care of that and get that out the way. All right, guys. Let's see where we are real quick before.
You want to turn off local recording for me?
How do I do that?
Go to output, and then turn off stop.